Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to create dual apps on Android. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. If you want to use multiple accounts on your mobile phone and you don't want to switch to your accounts and you want to use in multiple accounts, so you guys can use the dual apps feature on your mobile phone. So if you have latest Android phone, then this video is absolutely for you. And for older one, then don't worry about it. I'm also tell you the another method. So you have to just simply stuck around the video and stay tuned. So you have to just simply open up first your phone settings if you have latest Android phone. So you have to just simply open up your phone settings, and after opening up your phone setting, you have to just simply search for dual apps, or you guys can go to app section and search for dual apps. So here you guys will be able to see dual apps are displaying here. You have to just simply open it and simply click on create. So your phone UI might be changed, but the procedure will be same. So you have to just simply open up the dual apps feature, and you have to just simply here it is a list of all of the application which you have in your mobile phone. So you have to just simply toggle on any of the application which you want to make the twice. So assume that I want to twice the camera. You have to just simply select it and click on turn on. So after tapping on that, it is creating your dual application of your app. After that, you guys will be able to see that dual application for your camera app will be created. So here you guys will be able to see it is the icon is displaying cloning icon. So you guys can get the idea from it that has created a dual app. So if you don't have any dual app feature on your mobile phone settings, then don't worry about it. You guys have to just simply open up your phone settings. So after opening up your phone setting, you have to just simply search for dual apps or parallel space. Parallel space is a application which allow you to create dual apps. So you have to just simply open up the parallel space and simply install this application. So what it application can do is it application allow you to make dual application for your applications. So it's pretty simple, and its user interface is also very pretty simple. So after downloading and installing this application, you have to just simply open it, and it will ask you for plus icon which allow you to add application. So you have to just simply click on add application and select any of the app which you want to make twice. So after selecting the application, you have to just simply click on the app, and it will make the exact similar clone like icon for your single app which you want to make twice. I hope this method find you well. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.